To my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Online 2 game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Epic Games. Now go to the library section. After that, here you have to select your game. Here I'm showing you an example. Now click on three dot icon, then click on manage. Go below, here enable launch option and here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, you have to go to the file explorer. After that, go to the game folder. So after selecting the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Epic Games, under library section, select your game, click on three dot icon, click on manage and here click on verify option. So this will verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you can click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game. After that, click on make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now here under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it and right click on it and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. And after that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. If there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player, MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, here you click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your game plan, lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. This will download the Visual C++ files. After that, you will get repair or install option. Click on repair. Now wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and the maximum size type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to search for graphic settings. So search for graphic settings, and after that here you have to click on add a desktop app so that you can add the game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX. After it is downloaded, you have to install it. So once you install DirectX on a system, after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Mortal Online 2 game. So for that, go to Epic Games under library section. Here you have to select the game, click on the three dot icon, and then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Epic Games, and after that search for the game, and finally reinstall Mortal Online 2 game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Mortal Online 2 game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.